If you're thinking about learning piano in 2026, chances are you've come across Skoove, one of the most popular piano learning apps available today. The platform promises to help anyone learn piano from home using interactive lessons, real-time feedback, and popular songs. But with so many learning apps on the market, the real question is Skoove actually the best app to learn piano in 2026? Or is it just another subscription service with big promises? Let's take an honest look. To start with, Skoove is an interactive piano learning platform designed for beginners, intermediate players, and even people who used to play piano but want to get back into it. Instead of needing a private teacher or attending lessons at a specific time, Skoove allows you to learn at your own pace using a phone, tablet, or computer. All you need is a piano or keyboard. One of the features that makes Skoove interesting is that it can actually listen to what you play. The app uses your device's microphone or a digital keyboard connection to detect the notes you're playing in real time. This means the system can tell if you're hitting the correct notes and guide you if you make mistakes. In many ways, it creates an experience that feels a bit like having a digital teacher, helping you practice. Another strong point of Skoove is its structured learning system. The app doesn't just throw random songs at you. Instead, it follows a step-by-step course that gradually introduces new skills. Lessons start with the basics like recognizing notes and learning simple melodies. As you progress, you move into chords, rhythm, and eventually full songs. This structure is especially helpful for beginners who have never played piano before. The lessons are broken down into small, easy-to-follow sections, so learning doesn't feel overwhelming. You practice a little at a time while gradually building real skills. Skoove also includes a library of popular songs and classical pieces, which makes practicing more enjoyable. Instead of only doing exercises, you can learn recognizable music while improving your technique. For many learners, this makes the practice process much more motivating. Another big advantage is flexibility. Because the platform works across multiple devices, you can practice almost anywhere and whenever you have time. For people with busy schedules, this is a huge benefit compared to traditional lessons that require fixed appointments. However, Skoove does have some limitations. One common issue is that the note detection using a microphone isn't always perfect. Background noise or certain playing styles can sometimes confuse the system. Using a digital keyboard connection usually works more accurately. Another thing to consider is that advanced musicians may eventually outgrow the platform. While the lessons are great for beginners and intermediate players, experienced pianists might want more advanced training or a traditional sheet music study. Pricing is also something to keep in mind. Skoove offers a limited free version, but most lessons require a premium subscription. Depending on the plan, the cost can be around $20 per month, which may or may not feel worth it depending on how seriously you want to learn piano. So, is Skoove the best app to learn piano in 2026? For beginners who want a structured, interactive way to start learning piano at home, Skoove is definitely one of the better options available. The combination of guided lessons, real-time feedback, and recognizable songs makes the learning experience both effective and engaging. However, if you're already an experienced pianist or you prefer traditional lessons with a teacher, you may eventually need additional learning resources. Overall, Skoove does a great job at making piano learning accessible and flexible for modern learners. And for many people who have always wanted to learn piano but never had the time for traditional lessons, it can be a very practical way to get started. If this review helped you understand whether Skoove is worth trying, consider subscribing for more honest reviews of learning apps and digital tools. And let me know in the comments, would you rather learn piano using an app like Skoove or with a traditional teacher?